Okay, so welcome back. This is Cryptophil, and again, let's talk about the biggest thing for the last 24 hours in all the DeFi space, and that's Pulse Drip. I just want to say congratulations for everybody who AP'd yesterday, and congratulations for this team who did amazing job. Okay, so let's see what's happening. Also, before we go anywhere, just reminder, don't forget that I'm not your mama and papa. What means I'm not giving you any financial advice. Do your research and do not put more money you can afford to lose. This crypto you can lose everything. Okay, so check this out. Pulse Drip. Now, yesterday when H2O, before H2O came up, was 30 bucks. Okay, this is when I bought 30 bucks. This is when my admin bought around 20 bucks. Okay, right here, this on 15 minutes chart. Okay. Now, right here, when it was 20 bucks, they announced they're coming with something similar with a new project like Carol, okay, and it's called H2O. And my admin told me, hey, Phil, I have a little bit of money, let me get in. And 20 bucks. I said, yeah, I'll just buy it tomorrow. When I wake up next day, the price was freaking 30 bucks. I said, okay, I'll buy it 30 bucks, maybe we'll go to 40 bucks and I will sell, make some profits, Also, I have, I'm staking there since day one. Now, but I say I will take some profits and then I will ape into the new project. And what's happened is the price yesterday shoot up from 30 bucks, 29 bucks, all the way to 75. This is where I sold. 74, I saw a little bit drop and I sold everything out. Drop and then come back and I sold right here. Okay, 74, 72 bucks and I was happy. I didn't buy too much. And then I say, why the heck I didn't buy too much? Well, because sometimes we need to be happy with what we have. Okay, that's about it. Simple as that. Now, again, I took my profits and then I'll say, okay, I'll go to sleep. Went to sleep, I wake up this morning, the price was 95 bucks. I say, holy shit. So whoever bought right here in this 20, okay, you had a good couple of days between 20 and 25 bucks. And whoever sold right here, you just did 4x profit with no 4.5x. Okay, 400% profit in less than 12 hours, in less than 6-7 hours. That's crazy. If you were here, I did almost 2x in 15-20 minutes job. Okay, I didn't buy too much. I feel bad, but it is what it is. People make bunker. People made bunker. So why? What's happened? So Pulse Drip is a copy of Drip, okay, on Pulse Chain. Now, they come with their own version. And it's very beautiful and it's working amazing. You go to the swap, you buy the token, okay? So you buy the token right here. Once you buy, you go to the faucet, you open a faucet. Once you open a faucet, you're earning 1% a day. Again, I did some airdrops on the last video, that was last week. However, they come with a new project. We all know Carol Finance, and Carol Finance has been doing absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. So this guy says, okay, let's create something similar. And they come with a project what's called H2O. H2O is a chemical science for water, if you don't know. Okay, so I think it's chemical in chemist. Yeah, in chemist science. Okay, in I'm trying to translate in English. So what's happening is right here. So these guys, this team always coming with something new. They come with the garden, aqua base, and so on and so on. Okay, now if you want to go to the faucet, you need 10 drip. You buy P-Drip, 10 of them. You stake there and you're earning 1% a day. You claim your tokens go down, you compound, your tokens go up, simple as that. But yesterday they come up with something what's called bonds and H2O. And right here, let me just open my account. You will see I have some tokens around 7,700. So yesterday I first tried to stake, okay? So you put your Pulse token right here and you bond. Once you bond, okay, that's where the magic happens. So how this is working is simple. Let me see. I pinched this screenshot from in a YouTuber. Thanks, buddy, Max. Thank you. So this is how it's working. You bond Pulse token, and the Pulse token buying P-Drip. Okay, you pay 10% tax. That's happen everything on the blockchain. P-Drip, okay, buys H2O, 5% tax. When you sell H2O, H2O get burned, and simple like that. And this is how everything is working. Again, amazing protocols and amazing team. This is what they did. It's worked great. Okay, for the moment, looks very healthy. Now, what's the price right here? You will see that the price of H2O yesterday on the launch was 2 cents. You cannot see here, it doesn't show, but the launch price of H2O was 2 cents, went all the way up to 94 cents according to this chart. I'm not sure here, 160, maybe hit there or not, but 192 cents. That's around 45x, okay, from the price. I'm not sure if hit 160, I'm not mistaken, but this is crazy. Now, what about Pulse token? Pulse token right now when I'm doing this video is $81. How the price going to hold like this, I don't know, but I know has been working magically. Again, don't buy of the top, you know, just be careful. Everything will go up, can go down, probably will go a little bit down in the future. We'll find some floor, like what find right here, nice floor around, you know, 15, 16 bucks, you know, right there, and it was keeping for a very long time. Okay, so that's how it's work. If you want to bond, use the link right now. It's no referral link, nothing like there. Put your Pulse chain, you bond, you're getting this H2O, and then you get everyday tokens. For H2O, if you see, I'm making right now your current daily ROI is 0.5. More you hold, more you get. It's going up for 0.1% a day. Okay, I think it's up to 4% a day. I don't think people will just sell, because once you claim, it's going to reset the daily ROI. Again, that's about it. Well done to this team. Congratulations again for everybody who makes some profits, because yesterday was clear profit making day. And I feel bad I didn't put more money, because I expect to go up, but no one expect is going to go over 100 bucks, pretty much 95, 96 bucks. Nobody expect that. It's went out of my expectation. Well done. I'm surprised and well done. Again, that's about it for Pulse Drip. If you want to join my team, feel free to use the address and add your buddy address or team address. I'm doing airdrops once a month. I just sent last week to my only member. Again, thank you. Have a great day wherever you are. God bless. Goodbye.